A really nice command for those of you who get drawings that are constantly changing, plans that have an update on them, and it's very difficult to tell what has changed. We have the compare command. On my screen here I have a file which I purposely changed. And so if you can see here, I've got several things that I robbed from and use in different drawings. But I changed something on it and I saved it in this file. So if you take a look, I'll give you a minute to look at it. You can't readily tell what has changed. Or even if you know what's changed, you can't tell the difference. Here, I'll go back to my original one. And it looks the same. So we type our command compare. And then we pick the drawing that we want to compare it to. And we will see instantly what has changed. And you can see here the red and the green. The red is not in the drawing. The green is only in this drawing. Everything else is gray, and that's the same. But if you look at how close this is, there's no way that you would know what was changed without this command.